Spin.
Ano mahalaga yung programa na to para mas lalo makataas yung football?
Yung program na to, no, ito yung foundation natin sa mga grassroots sa program, no. We're on focus on developmental, no, and it's a good start sa mga bata, and kumbaga ma-develop natin yung playing attitude ng mga bata and yung character nila, no. So from the very young age na sa program na to, they will learn a lot, no, yung mga criteria na ibibigay natin, no. So dito marami tayong makukuha na mga potential players para sa not only Globe TM football para sa bayan, but yung to help the Philippine football, no, na yung kumbaga yung demand and yung mga bata na lalo pang mahilig sa sports, not only football, in different sports, no. So we give them a proper way ng training, kumbaga yung basics and advanced training para sa kanila. So it's a good start and a good yung foundation para to help the Philippine football grow.
So sa tingin mo, mas mabilis ba ito na paraan para mas umangat pa yung football natin? Mas mabilis na paraan ba ito? Tingin
Yes, so sa tingin ko this program, no, maraming matutulungan yung not only in local but sa national, no, and lalo na itong mga kids na masiselect dito sa TM football para sa bayan representing the Philippines. When they go back to their provinces and their region, they will inspire others to play football also, and to give also kumbaga motivate some other kids, no, na bakit nakasama sila doon. So their experience is very important doon pagbalik nila sa mga provinces nila and region nila.
Sige ba kaya makipag-compete ng Pilipinas pagdating sa football talaga, internationally? Tingin mo?
Yes, kaya naman. We'll give them kumbaga yun nga, proper program, proper training, paano sila maglaro as a team, not only, di ba? So this yung pinag-usapan dito is teamwork. So anin mo yung quantity kung wala namang quality yung programa, no. So hindi siya maganda sa team. So it's better to give them a quality training, quality program to really compete not locally but internationally.
So ito ba ginagawa mo kasi kahit paano, di ba, may frustrations ka rin as a football player dahil you
Yes, so
never tasted a SEA.
it's part of the life na sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, di ba? So it's more on kumbaga kailangan natin sila tulungan, kailangan natin sila ibigyan ng moral yung mga bata, lalo na yung makakasama dito na 12 players, 6 girls and 6 boys. So we'll give them more, kumbaga, transfer ng experience and transfer ng ideas and knowledges about football, no, pagdating nila doon sa labas sa ibang bansa, na siguraduhin natin na they will makapag-compete sila sa ibang mga dayuhan din, ibang players din na nakasama nila sa training sa Malaysia.
So as a player, marami ka rin ipinakita internationally, ano? Marami rin naabot yung ASCALs, pero alam ko yung frustrations mo, SEA Games, etc. Andiyan pa rin. Do you think in your lifetime, maabutan mo na magdo-dominate talaga yung Pilipinas, especially sa Southeast Asia?
Yes, oo naman. Lalo na we have a local tournament, yung United Football League, no? And first time natin nakapasok yung club. 2 teams natin, yung Kaya FC and Series, no, nakapasok sa round of 16. So it's kumbaga dahan-dahan nandun na tayo, no. And the Philippine Football Federation is also confident na makapasok tayo and makapag-produce tayo ng mga magagaling na players someday. So, through United Football League.
Personally, isa rin sa mission mo yan?
Yes, as head coach of the U40 national team, yes, someday kumbaga tayo yung magdo-dominate sa Southeast Asia, not only here in Southeast Asia, but siguro sa Asia we can compete siguro, and
contract pa tayo?
Ha?
Contract tayo ngayon, tingin mo?
Yes, very kumbaga yung level of competition tumataas na, and syempre yung players as very kumbaga liver yung mindset nandoon na. So konting ano na lang, konting kumbaga hasa pa para and more tournaments na mabigay natin sa kanila.
Lastly, asa si Tiffy Galigdong after retirement?
Yes, I'm still in football. I retired sa last 2 years ago as sa Philippine Ascal. So, I'm giving back and share what I have before sa national team and giving back doon sa mga bata and share ideas, experiences now as a head coach of the under 14. So, we'll continue support Philippine football, no, and we'll continue produce a lot of good players, not giving them maturuan natin sila maglaro, but character inside, on and off the field, yung attitude nila, the way they play sa national team.
Lastly, saan ka nagtatrabaho ngayon? I heard you're with Globe na.
Yes, sa Globe employee and sports ambassador.
Ano trabaho mo doon?
Nasa field, siyempre this program yung football para sa bayan, no? So we just started sa sports lang, and I'm sa HR, but I'm connected with the CHR, no, to help this program, no. So
Anong division ka sa Globe? Anong trabaho mo?
Sports ambassador and helping the sports, not only football but the employees, no, some yung meron silang Ayala Olympics. So I'm helping Globe, the whole Globe, na to compete also some other Ayala Globe.
Spin.